Hey guys, happy Halloween! So this is a little bit of a different video, well I guess kind of a different video, but at the same time it's what I've been doing for the past week. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to repair a Unibody MacBook Pro. Now I'm going to be doing this with a 13-inch model and a 15-inch model later in this video. First we're starting off with this mid-2010 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's open up our iFixit toolkit, get a nice screwdriver, and let's get a nice Phillips bit right here. This laptop in particular is missing some screws. With all the screws removed, we can now lift up the bottom case. And here we have access to the hard drive, the battery where it's supposed to be. There's no battery in here because it expanded, and also your RAM DIMMs, and also the DVD drive if you want to replace that with another SSD or something. To remove the hard drive, you would need to remove this little bracket right here, holding it in place. So you get your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew both sides, you can just pull the bracket off, then lift up the hard drive a little bit. Not too hard though, because this is a ribbon cable, so you want to disconnect it pretty lightly. And there you go. The hard drive is removed, and you can swap it out with an SSD. But because I don't have an SSD that I want to put in this machine, I'm just going to put the hard drive back in its place. And then we screw the bracket back on. There you go. Now it's not going anywhere. As for the battery, that will be a better example for the 2011 MacBook Pro that I'm going to fix in a little bit. As for the RAM, it's actually super simple. You just pull on the sides, and then boom, you have your RAM. Though I will say putting it back in... Oh, never mind. That was actually quite easy. And that's about it for the 2010 MacBook Pro. Let's put the case back on and screw it back. That is the 2010 MacBook fixed. Now, we have this beast, the 15-inch 2011 MacBook Pro, missing one of the foot stand things. This actually was my daily driver back from 2020 to even recently, actually, May 2023. All the case screws are here, as you can see. So let's just get cracking inside. Well, that screw is actually kind of stripped, so I'm pretty sure we can just lift up. Yes, we can. Alright, cool. Okay, so we have the inside of the MacBook. Battery is really dirty. I need to just... Okay, whatever. So as you can see, it's like the same deal. We have the hard drive bracket with the two screws that aren't screwed in for some reason. What's nice about all these Unibody MacBooks is that they have all Phillips screws, so you don't need to worry about having a different screwdriver, except for the battery, which I'll do that right now, just so you can see how easy it is to remove the battery. Just use my finger here because I don't know where my other repair kit is. There we go. Now that the cable is disconnected, we're gonna change out the bit of the screwdriver. You don't want the plus one. My camera can't focus for you don't want the plus one, but you want the one that kind of looks like a propeller. It's called the tri-wing. That's one screw. That's two. And you may not notice, but there's actually one behind the warning label. There you go. Now we can lift it out. Look at that. Look how much dust is on this thing. Ooh, why did I do that? And yeah, with the RAM, it's the same thing. You just take out that with the bottom one too. You just... There you go. Reinsert the RAM. Pinched myself on a MacBook. Fantastic. And we're gonna put the battery back in. I'm not gonna connect it until I have all the screws. Oh, time to unscrew number one. There we go. Now we plug it back in. And there you go. You've successfully figured out how to repair both a 13-inch and a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. and I will see you guys in the next one.